Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today is Tuesday. It's almost 5 in the evening. I'm still trying to get over my sickness. Need to find a way to get over this cold. I think this past month has just been a lot of stress on my body. Just moving from the States has been a little bit stressful, but I'm super excited to be here in the Philippines and hopefully I can film some really interesting stuff soon. Alright, I'm gonna head out and go for a run. It was a short but really good feeling run. Looks like there's a movie shoot going on over here. It looks like they're doing some motorcycle crash scene, but there's like normal traffic going on as well, so it's kind of crazy. That's super funny. They always have film shoots like super close to where we live. And they just like hold off traffic for like 2 seconds. Then they did motorcycle accident scene and the traffic resumes again. Such beautiful colors on the clouds tonight. That's pretty much gonna be it for today. I'm really trying to take it easy over these few days to try to get my health back to normal. But I'll try to film as much as I can the next few days. Maybe explore Manila a little bit. What do you guys want to see? Let me know. Anyways, that is it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Yes, it is already Christmas season here in the Philippines.